Welcome towards the Gist meeting final demo. Here I am just opening a calendar list view of Odoo admin. You can see I had activated the is Gist meeting checkbox, and now we have a tab named Jitsi where we can see our meeting link and duration, and we can set as well a username and a password if you want to secure your meeting from someone. And you can see here Jitsi server URL as I promised you already. And here are the invitation links. You can invite multiple person. Okay, and you also can add attendees here. You also can send attendees an email or SMS. And cool, and further I will save this meeting and show you the URL, website URL where we can join any meeting. Okay, save it, and let's try to copy this URL. Yoo-hoo, and put it in some new tab.